Alright, welcome. So I thought this would be a really fun one to do. You can just add random planets and random stars and random objects into Universe Sandbox. So that's what I did with this. I only did it once so far and it turned out really well. And so I want to share this with you, and then I'm going to try it a couple more times. And also, this is going to be my first full-length video that I'm editing and cutting. So you shouldn't see too many of the boring parts. Try to keep my mouse out of here. Try to get all the bad panning and all of that stuff out. So, without any further ado, enjoy. So we just added some random objects in here. We have a really massive star here, HR 256. We have Iburn, Lempa, Earth, Kepler 484b over here, and then we have this massive, it's a little bit less massive than Jupiter, but it has a larger radius and it looks way hotter. So the first time I was simulating this, I definitely noticed that as it passes these planets, it will start really heating them up and even tidally shredding them. So I put Earth here, but it is in a very hot area. It's not in the habitable zone, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm gonna kind of actually focus on Earth here first, and let's give it a whirl. So I always like to look at the temperature. See, we're heating up really quick here. Yeah, immediately we have Africa just getting roasted here. Oh boy. We have a real hot greenhouse effect going on here. And I think Earth is pretty much turning into Venus. Let's see if it completely covers it or not. We have an average temperature of over 260 and we're still rising. Oh, and we have tidal shredding going on over here. Hold on, I'm gonna pause for a second. So I think, as I was saying, I think that WASP must have passed Kepler and we missed it. And it started shredding it. So I'm gonna follow WASP actually. This might be the most interesting part of our solar system, with it being so large, kind of being our system's Jupiter here. We're not doing too well over here. We're getting hotter and hotter. Now, I actually purposely put all these planets really close in. So we're gonna have some real heating up going on here. Our Earth is now a complete Venus, complete hothouse. That's pretty awesome watching that eclipse go across it. We're watching nighttime. There we go. So I think Kepler is coming up on WASP here. I'm going to slow this down. And I'm actually not going very fast here, but I put all of these planets in very close. And so they are moving very fast. So we're only going 24 minutes a second here. So I mean, these guys are zooming. Alright, speed it up a little bit more, see what we get. This ring that is starting to form here. And Kepler, it's gonna form our asteroid belt, I think. Very nice. let's take a look at our final form here. We have this whole disk of fragments, our little asteroid belt that's forming here. Earth is just on fire. I think it's safe to say we are actually past Venus here. Look at that. We are 3,100 degrees. So, yeah, continents are melting. Let's get rid of the atmosphere here. So this is our new Earth. Without the atmosphere. Scarred. Wrecked. Who's that, India? I don't know. Wow, that is fantastic. Another couple of views here. Oh, yeah, well, I don't know. Maybe that's Africa. It is unrecognizable, ladies and gentlemen. Pretty much looks like Mercury underneath. That is something. I wonder what's going on with our rotation here. We're rotating normal. But we have a 2-day orbit here. It's talking about how fast it's going, how fast all these planets are zipping around.